Welcome back to 353 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Today we're on to idea number 19, and this one's for the hustlers who love helping businesses grow. Let's talk about how you can earn by writing cold calling scripts with ChatGPT. Now I know what you're thinking. Cold calling? That's so old school. But here's the truth. Cold calling is still one of the most effective ways for businesses to make sales, and a killer script can make all the difference. And guess who's going to write those scripts? You! Why cold calling scripts are in demand. Cold calls can be nerve-wracking, even for seasoned sales pros. A good script is like a safety net. It guides the caller, helps them handle objections, and keeps the conversation smooth and professional. Businesses of all sizes need them, but not everyone has the time or skill to craft a great script. That's where you come in. How ChatGPT helps you write cold calling scripts. ChatGPT is your script writing assistant, working with you to create templates that convert. Here's how to use it. 1. Understand the product or service. Start by gathering info. 1. Use ChatGPT to craft questions like, what problem does your product solve? Or, what's your unique selling point? 2. Create attention-grabbing openings. Ask ChatGPT for ideas like, generate a friendly yet professional introduction for a cold call about product. 3. Handle objections. Let ChatGPT suggest responses to common objections such as, I'm not interested or we already have a vendor. 4. Add a call to action. Use prompts like, write a closing pitch encouraging the prospect to book a demo or call. Who needs cold calling scripts? The demand is huge. 1. Sales teams looking for a script that gets results. 2. Small businesses diving into outbound sales. 3. Freelancers and solopreneurs trying to land clients. 4. Startup founders pitching their groundbreaking ideas. Where to offer your services? 1. Freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. 2. Network with sales professionals or small business owners on LinkedIn. 3. Reach out to startups and offer personalized cold calling scripts. How much can you earn? 1. For basic cold calling scripts, charge $50 to $150 per script. 2. For more advanced, tailored scripts, charge $300 or more. 3. Offer additional services like email templates or follow-up scripts to boost your income. What makes this idea fun? Cold calling might seem intimidating, but writing scripts for it is actually a blast. It's like crafting mini conversations where you control how they go. Plus, ChatGPT makes it super easy to fine-tune every line to make it persuasive, natural, and effective. Your edge in the market, the secret sauce? You! ChatGPT can give you a great starting point, but you add the personal touch, empathy, humor, and real-world insights. That's what will make your script stand out and bring clients back for more. Why this idea works. Businesses need cold calls to survive, and you're helping them thrive. By crafting scripts that take the fear out of calling, you're solving a major pain point while building a profitable service. If you're ready to help businesses turn, hello, who's this, into let's do business, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below. What's the best opening line you can think of for a cold call? That's it for today's episode of 333 Ways to Earn with ChatGPT. Until next time, keep writing, keep earning, and keep making those calls less awkward and more awesome.